Don't ask me why, don't ask me when, it just happened. It just purely happened. Why did it happen? Because I wasn't patient and I hate 100 tick chart because you have many options to be traded here. Lots of options traded here. Super duper annoying. Now I don't know what's gonna happen, but so uh, this thing I am 100 tick chart. I'm trading only first 2 minutes today and every other day, unless somehow I get back to my patience lab. Other, otherwise, if not, then I'm just purely, I don't know, just crushed, you know, because it's just a few seconds before the open. I don't think I want to open a new position for that, but that one I will leave for this, okay? So my target today is trade, like basically what I'm doing here. I've resetted my account for 2000, which means that now I have 2000, which is realistically what I will be having in my real money account trading, okay? So I will try, I will for a month this demo account because I want to see how does it feel to be trading on on t- on 200 risk. I was thinking right now that maybe 100, but uh, actually, well, if we have, for example, opening range of 70, what do we do? What's the point now? What if my risk is 100? How many contracts am I trading? I can trade only, what can I do? I can trade only one contract, which will give me 70 risk, which is like 30% difference. So if I lose one and and win another, for example, another one would be with like this opening range 100, right? And I have to risk also one account, one, and I for example lose this one, but I win this one. So I'm kind of in a good perspective, but what if it happens like this? 70 still, right? This one. Can I take two contracts? Well, no. So I have a huge range of 550 like this is still one contract, which is stupid, right? So I'm thinking I will be trading, my risk will be 200, okay? 250 would be the best because I've been using it and it's very dynamic and you can add one or two accounts, contracts, and so on. So that risk is very good. But so because here I can take two contracts, still two. I can take three contracts here, but like, yeah, the range is big. Obviously, it's not Gucci. It's big, but let's try with 200. Obviously, I can. There might be like days where I've been measuring, like for instance, this day, right? So it's 65 points. Okay, so 65 points is 131. So how, like, if that would be on like 60. I would take 4 contracts on if 250. If that's then it's 3 contracts. Okay. So okay, so I'm just let's make it 200. Actually, what I would like to do is 100, but with 100, Jesus, it's so hard to get into the trade, you know. And with 200, I have 10 bad trades in a row, 10 losers in a row, which basically means what? 10 losers in a row. It's 5 trading days, 1 week, 2,000. Would I be devastated? Kinda, maybe. Also, I would be not like devastated, but you know, I would feel that I cannot get in the market for another month or so. I just can't. Okay, so okay, let's concentrate. This is my opening trade, which will be here or here, obviously, right? So this one's more than perfect for the downside. Maybe this one also is a good trade. Perfect. Let's take them out. Let's see if we have some other structural stuff going on. Probably not. I will take that for the downside. And I'm on break even. Okay, I will take the long one for the structure. Above that, okay, good. A little bit more, bro. Oops, and we are doomed. As always, like, why I enter with second contract, I don't know. No shit. Let's bounce off that, which is not good. You hear that? How can I do this? How can I fucking do this? It's W pattern. I love that pattern every time when it's representing. And I'm probably actually down quite a lot. Am I? Yeah. I just want to have a little bit. I mean, first trade, best trade. Fuck me backwards. I don't know. Why am I like still doing this? You know, in the way that I'm doing this. I think that this is just you know, a little bit too much for my brain. I don't know. How can I become something like here? Jesus, I wanna buy here. Yeah. Yeah, super. I'm loving this game. I'm just fucking tired of myself, of everything of my life, of how it goes, of where and how I can live this shit. Yeah, so and markets probably are also not the ones that you wanna trade in today. Am I okay? It's almost. Let's concentrate on another trade. Wow, look, so yeah, good, right? So now let's see, we got exactly 200 full, right? So okay, that was not a break actually, but we are breaking still. So it's 200. How can you do 200 when it's breaking so low? And by that I mean that I don't think that I should take a short in this position being right here. Price is very, very. It's a Speedy Gonzalez. Shoot. Nice structure. Okay. Um, do I want to put my sell order here? Like, where are we going with this? I don't think that we are going downside. What I would place is a long right here, and I love this one. I would enter with 2 contracts even. I love such trades. Okay. Maybe I love more such trades. Where is the third attack on that? Right? I cannot enter. And that's actually okay. I'll get wicked. Looks like I'll get wicked. Okay, at this point, I'm kind of feeling like I'm more or less gambling, because it just doesn't feel these. Yeah, just they are sexy indeed, these moves, but you know, I've seen it lots of times, like these VWAP breaks for the VWAP. That was dangerous. I mean, but overall, it just imagine I'm not on demo. Imagine dragons by the. Oh, wait. What's that? Okay. Oh my bananas. Let's see. How does it come to that? It will be like this, but I need to see the moves like here maybe. Is it like truly a V-shaped start and we will continue there, or it's just so can I like enter this trade right here? I think I can enter. Okay. Why I entered? Because wait, it's not that one I want to draw. Jesus God. What? Why? Come on, man. Okay, my risk is right here, which is 15. What is 15? VWAP, right? yes, obviously there is a big possibility that I can come back to the VWAP, but my target is right here. So I almost got touched, almost, and I think I will get touched. And so that's why I entered this market with this. Can we retrace back to somewhere here? And I could enter with one more contract if I would do that. Like it's coming back to the same area. Can I enter here? But then no, I cannot. I cannot. It's going to be then 60 plus risk, which is more than 200. And now I have very, very good risk to reward ratio. And let's see how we can I don't like that because it's just dangerous to be wicked out, but I'm seeing longs, so obviously here it's obviously another zone, but look, this is exactly what I was jonked. And how much I could have had for more? Like 60, like 2 times that. Okay, just keep in mind, and then so now fake out or breakout. Let's see. Fake out or breakout. Like it's having a bit of trouble coming back here. If that comes back to VWAP, then obviously I would be a little bit frustrated. But it's like one tick away from that. I'm not really. I think like I didn't do a bad thing. I don't think I did a bad thing. It can just go past that and still come back. You know, there's a huge range, and the possibility to reach that target, which is 22,000 today, is it exists, but we don't know yet how to deal with that. So yeah, it's a bit slowing down. So above that, below that, do we want to short it? I don't know. I just when this V-shaped form happens, it's often that the market continues to the upside, and look how many orders are there. Can we actually, you know what? Do what? Let's see how it looks. By the way, what was the 2018? You see, it's below 20. So on the open, it's really sexy for that. Okay, so we are having a bit of hard time to crossing there. Probably we'll have a pullback, like that's a lot of possibility for that. What I want from this is actually ladders. You know, where am I putting my stop loss? Is that it's the only thing I need from this chart, because I need to know where I'm putting my stop losses. So yeah, we will break that definitely, like most definitely. And if we break that, is it possible for the price to come back here? So I just want to know if I want to enter with one more and maybe exit here at the tops. No, because to break, if we want to break out of that, it's gonna be quite rough times on it. It's nice to see such candles, as I see before many times, and to truly just admire them. Okay, so it's just wiggling around. Okay, here's my like entry hit, right? Entry hits. And let's see what's the momentum to the upside. Well, what I want to do actually is add one more and move my stop loss like right here. Okay, which is 136, 133. Good, good, good. This is like the zone. I think that was the zone, and now this is the zone where if we break these pivots, I'm not comfortable holding, but I'm still comfortable on making breaking these highs and lows and everything, okay? So this is just my 2 cents all of all this structure. I would maybe prefer to have MNQ here, just to, just what the fuck just happened? So this is what annoys me a lot, and this is what happens on here a lot. Funny, huh? Like the mark. Well, my stop is exactly where it has to be, but did we have what the fuck just happened? I mean, I don't think that this is where I should be holding my trade, like based on all this. Okay, I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. Is it on MNQ just or oops? Yeah, that's why you okay, breakout, breakout, breakout for that, that. I mean, that's why I kind of want to be here as a target, not here, because that looks a bit too optimistic in the way, so I kind of want to just see what happens. Mm. S- Yeah, okay. Let's move this on these because that's where like every stop was hit, right? Somebody just took out those and now they're grinding to the upside. So I think yeah, it's in this volatility, it's a good target. Hmm. Will we break those highs? You know, that's the question. And should I leave it to all my targets or not? But like there's lots of momentum right now. Price has moved a lot like these minutes, see, which like today it kind of indicates me that I want to take out my orders on 50, but on the other hand, maybe we just move our stop loss when it hits 15, right? For now, it can boom, 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 pow. I think I could even move my stop right now. Maybe. I don't know. If I can move it, like that stop. Yeah, I was lucky that it worked, to be fair with you. That was lucky. Am I recording myself? Good. But a bit silently? No, it's all good. Okay, so hmm, we're a bit pulling back. Not terrible pullback. Now we will drop more because of the structure of 100 tick chart. No, we didn't. Hmm. Was that a pivot for me? Let's see. Let's wait a little bit, okay? It's I'm quite positive on the upside today, but we wait. We can have those stupid comebacks, you know, just truly possible. I love the risk now is very little comparison to my target. And yeah, you know, like lots of people maybe wanted to go upside, but on the other hand, it's just a bit, yeah, it's looking heavy right now, but overall trend is to the upside. So what I'm thinking is that I might be hands off right now because where we stopping? We stopping in um like there's no reason to pivot here. No obvious reason. Value. Let's see what ES does. Yeah, right, you yes. Oh boy, 1, 2, 3, 1. Yeah, well, ES is looking strong. Positive delta, lots of volume, and break these ups. Yeah, we can like try to not like maybe break, but if we break, we got 650 next target. Okay, and kind of I think we're breaking. Maybe I want to add one more, or I want to just no. I will want to move my stop if when we break, if and when. And obviously, my probably it can be right now. Okay, let's move here, right? And the next step will be here. If we when we break, I'm moving this one here. Okay, good. That's it. That's kind of my goal to lock in some profits and just keep on moving, huh? I mean, look, the this is this is not real. I had only one good trade. Which one I am supposed to be? Oh, by the way, that's no go time, no entries anymore. Keep keep on rolling. Okay, so again, I've been talking to myself because the mic was off. Wow, it's about okay. Wow, like everybody thought that it has to touch the 20,000s, right? It has to touch the 20,000s. So let's see. My now my probably was okay. That was here. Then I moved from here to here probably. Yeah, it is now we come back. Okay. So today, what? So I've been trading through the news, and this is what happened. Okay, and you know what? I wasn't prepared for that. Why? Because why? Hmm. Because I was on July? I don't get it. Sometimes I misread the calendar, and yeah. Okay. 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 All week FOMC members are speaking, by the way. So on Fed Fund rates, by the way, I traded. I don't know why I did that, and I didn't do here, but I traded, and guess what? I won. So, but it's not the best decision on my side. And on 19th, I won one. Okay. Then the bank holiday, then 21st, we won. 21st is what? Damn, I'm 21st Saturday. Sunday 23rd, okay. We said big news 15:30. Uh, Flash manufacturing and flash service. Okay. So tomorrow is definitely not a trading day, and my performance too. So 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 we got count 24 what 24 trading days, a little bit more trades than I would like to, but this is the statistics of using my strategy, right? This was a rough start a bit, but then we went forwards a lot, a lot. I mean a lot. And the okay, the sum. I want to see the sum. 20. Okay, so that's a pretty good sum, huh? Pretty good sum. That would be real money. If that would just be real money. And again, what else I want to say? It's the look. That was the beginning of the month, right? And it was okay, like before, after CPI, from the first. I don't have it. I wonder what that would be. Let's pretend I had like this and like this because I'm I'm trading these, right? Like I'm trading these NFP. Look, school run, school run. We touched that. We touched those 20,000, 22,000. Okay, I just wanted to see. Oh, one thing is that unemployment. Wow. Mar- No, I. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Non-farm. Why is it in this? Hmm. Okay, so I pretty much actually have a good win rate on this too. Unfortunately, unfortunately, by the way, I've been. That's kind of good. Good wins, good everything except. And yeah, it's tradable day. Tradable day. Okay, all good. So let's pretend I traded. I don't know why I didn't trade on previous NFP, but maybe just because I wasn't on the screen or something. Okay, this one, then here. So, you see, the first part of the month up until after CPI, we had 8 trading days, positive expects, but then what we got, another part was like no 8 and like double or triple. So again, we started month and after CPI we got 5 and kind of a 0, and after CPI already we got lots of big momentum. So what I just wanted to say, okay, we took out that target by the way. That that the second part of a month is better. Kind of, I noticed that already. That first part of the month is a bit tricky because we have news. We have yeah, some Fed fund rates, but they are not. Unemployment, non-farm, CPI, PPI days before, and the second part of the month is more of a good training day. Training. Okay, so let's watch it for more. Let's watch how it goes. Yeah, so big news. Another. Let's just make all. Okay, 24th. We'll have big news on this even hour. Come on, why this is so lagging on that one? I don't get it. Plus, it's big news. 1708. Fed Chair Powell testifies. There's nothing else on this day except for this piece of information. Okay. By the way, that's the wrong thing. That's 1645. Okay. On 25th, we'll be having the same goddamn thing, which is untradeable. I think, like, especially when he's talking on this early hour. 26 is okay. We got some still big news on 1530, which is final GDP quota. And on Friday, also we have 1530 and 17. I don't know why I'm noticing this one, but core PCE and revised. Okay, so this is definitely tomorrow. Not trading, not trading. Thursday, Friday, good. But I will not be at the computer. Well, if I will be, maybe I will trade, but I don't know. Good. Next. So, yeah, next is next. But, like, if I started, let's say if I started at that, well, maybe we can put it like that. Okay, just for sake of break even. Uh, Probably there was one winner, another break even, plus one on one, so it's hard to trail. It probably very the market was not stable. Friday 02. Let's see. Friday, June. I wasn't okay on third. On wait, June. Okay, it was May. May. Sorry. Second May. Let's see. Okay. Oops. Sorry. So that was okay. Let's see what I'm using. Am I using that strategy? Uh, no, I'm still trading the old way, which is probably this is what 5 minutes. I'm ending Q. Okay, let's watch this. I mean that was fucking quick, like super duper quick. I probably wouldn't be able even to trail that. Why I lost money, by the way? Wasn't it a win? Okay, so I put my order just below where actually I lost a few ticks. Also, it was a doji. Wait, how much was that? Let me check. So 97, I had to take for my risk 5, 6 contracts. 500. Okay, so I'm in somewhere there, and okay, so did I move? It's just, yeah, it's there. So if that goes, no, it didn't. So I'm in the straight. So definitely one win would be. I mean, one break even, and hopefully that touches my target. Okay. Gee. I've been okay. Okay, it looks like it. It looks like it. Okay. Then let's see. What else we got? Uh, we are still just wobbling, wobbling, bobbling. What? Wow. Okay, so this is school runish. This is school runish. Now we have a school run, which by the way didn't work. One, wait, one, two, three, one, two. Okay, we still have 15 minutes. I mean, 7 minutes for that. Okay, still like 4 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 1.5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's quite nice for a school run breakout to the upside, but well, the look markets looks a bit heavy, and well, if you trust that, yeah, you definitely have to take that. If you trust my strategy. So we are in the order. I mean, we are in the trade. We're breaking out. Um, I had a table actually. I just don't know why I'm. It's 0.5. Okay. Oops. Sorry. So let's check how long does it take for a market to be there. Because if that breaks through there, so I'm very tempted at least to reduce my risk or to even have it on break even. So now the moves are not bad, looking good. From what I see, I would probably from this one. This is my entry, right? So kind of here, quarter, yeah, a quarter of this this whole thing. Definitely, I would have taken reduced the risk. Even now, when it's looking like it wants to break up, break to the upside. Yeah, it's having hard time actually, hard time. But I care less if I just. So again, this is the entry, right? Okay, this is the entry. Let's see what else. What kind of moves we got? So it's spending a lot of time right there, which is not great for the push to the upside and through all these things. Okay, we got some move. Okay, I'm definitely my target is here. Like definitely. So the quarter is 100%. So 0.5 risk right now. Okay, it's looking quite sick. It didn't go to my target because Mhm. Mhm. Okay, break even definitely. Break even. Yeah, break even. Break even. Break even. We're not waiting for that to turn around, But yeah, so it looks like it went back from it's. Am I sure it's zero point 0.5? If it touches 200, then I mean it's a win, but it didn't. Okay, and I'm stopped out, right? On a break even. Yeah, I'm stopped out. It did. What? Why it's look? What the? Come on, is that the same day? Why May 2nd? May 2nd, Friday. Cooler and zero point 0.5. Why I said is zero point 0.5 when it's like. Do I have a ruler? Yes, just a second. I have a ruler on my table, so I'm just measuring it to 24. So it's now, if it goes to 200, but probably I was stopped on the break even, that's for sure. I was stopped on break even. So that's a good thing. Yeah, that's it. Oppo 1. So good. That wasn't a win. What? Wait, what? How? Ah, to the. Wait. So which one was in play earlier? The school run or the break? They're both? No, the school run was a bit earlier. So how on earth? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, but no, but school run was first to be traded. Okay, so that was a weird day. Me, probably I would have taken the school run next, not the 5 minute. And probably I would not have the second win. I would have a second break even. Which is alright, which is okay. You see, very many days this market gives you these opportunities to survive. Probably should be here on this one. No, no. All good, all good, all good. Wait a minute, Fed Fund list, I want this to be here and this one FOMC, just like that, okay? And Fed Fund rates, it's very good percentage, and let's see on. Oh my God, jeez. Fed Fed Fund rates. Okay, these ones. Oh. Oh. Mm, yeah, kind of. This one was more important, but still, we got very big possibilities to win. Good. And one was last time. That was not good. That was losses. Two losses in a row, right? Okay. Oh, fuck me backwards. So I'm down. I'm done for today. I I mean, this is this is demon. This is stupid. This is stupid demon thing. actually liked and what I think is quite a legit thing is this. Is this. On the open, here, on here, or here. On the open, since we have lots of volume, you know, to break such lows, I've seen it so many times. And I think I just have to take these trades in this window. Spitting was a fake out, and then flush. Very pity. But like then, then no fake out, and then like like second, the second, third. That's the third. That's the third. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. There's no 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Here also we check it. This is second. Okay, 1, 2, second. 1, nothing. 1, 2, 3. Is it a demo? Demolition derby. So, is this like a consolidation or a trend up or a wedging pattern, or how many times are we going to do this? No, I'm not trading. My window of trades is over. I hate my life. Okay, so let's print this. We start tracking that also. Okay. We'll start normally tracking the first trade, first breakout of previous, like say 1, 2, 3. It's 100% setup. Okay. And here we got what? We got another consolidating day, just another day of 2200s. Okay.